Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Final Cut Pro and creating a dedicated library and event so you don't mix media. Import all camera clips plus your reference audio into that event. This keeps clips local and synced. Once imported, make sure the project frame rate matches your cameras and enable timecode display for quick checks. Now select matching clips you want to sync and move directly to the next step. Don't relabel yet, just group them for analysis. With clips selected, right-click and choose Synchronize Clips so Final Cut uses audio alignment automatically. Choose the audio waveform as the primary sync method. This lets Fcpx align peaks from each camera to the reference track for frame-accurate sync. If you have multiple camera angles, check Create Multicam Clip so you can switch angles later. Once FCP finishes, double-check by playing a few seconds. You're looking for lip and slate pops matching the waveform spikes. Now open the multicam clip in the angle editor and trim any leading sync cushion. You can manually nudge an angle by a frame or two if needed. If you notice drift over long takes, break the timeline into shorter chunks and resynchronize each segment so audio stays locked. If automatic sync fails because internal mics are noisy, switch to the external reference audio as the master track and rerun synchronize clips. This usually resolves persistent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.